guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. If you guys are participating in Vlogmas, I'm doing the Vlogmas remix, but it's over on TikTok. So if y'all want to follow me, I will scroll my name across the screen. It's basically another creator just was like, we have a whole lot of content in our phones. We got to empty out our drafts. If you don't want to see a whole bunch of Christmas-based stuff, post these videos. That's exactly what I've been doing. I only missed day one, but your girl is on the road because today is what? Is it day 8 today? Yes. So, as you can tell by the title, I have not purchased anything from Victoria's Secret or Pink in like years, especially the fragrances. So, I don't know what I was scrolling on Instagram, and of course, their $6.95 sale or whatever came up, and it was a couple of fragrances that I want to try, but I did it online and I have not got my nose on any of these, so this would be a blind buy and also a first impressions. So let's get on right into it. So to see the fragrances I bought, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so here is my package. So like I said, I ordered everything online and I was so pressed to get this stuff. I did the next day shipping and it really came the next day. Most of the things that I wanted wasn't even in the store, any of the locations near me. So either way, I had to order because I was going to go into the store for fun, part of my content, and go snip some stuff, but it didn't work out. So, oh, okay. So their stuff is individually. Oh my goodness. I got a few things, y'all. I think I got like 6 things. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I have 8 things. So 6 are mine and 2 are for my daughter. Y'all know when I order stuff, you know, Miss Spain, she got to get her stuff too, child. But I do like that everything is individually boxed. I mean, it's safe when it's shipped. So this order came up to, I think it was like $52. Again, not bad. So in no particular order, I'm just going to open stuff. So let's start with, I don't know. I'm just going to pick a box. All right, let's start with this one. And I do not have my fragrance strips. Let me go get my strips. Okay, I'm back. That's what happens when I don't record in my beauty room. So I might need to just leave some down here. Sometimes I don't be feeling like going to my beauty room. And it's just water today, y'all. All right, let's go in with this box. Okay, so this is Victoria's Secret Spice Vanilla Cream Feel Toasty. So this is what this one looks like. Do they have the notes on here? So also when I did try to narrow down what I wanted to buy, I did watch a couple of videos and just to get an idea of what's hot and what's not. Is the notes on here? No, but this is supposed to be amazing. Y'all know me. If I can, I will scroll the notes across the screen. Okay, your moment to feel toasty. This mist is your new daily ritual. Da da da. This ain't got no notes on it. Okay, Victoria's Secret, but whatever. So again, this is Spice Vanilla Cream. I think this is the one that I got for myself and my daughter. So this is a hair and body mist. I think she got one of these too. All right, so let's go ahead and get a strip and get the sniffing. Ooh, I like this bottle and this nozzle, this sprayer. Ooh. Okay, and mostly everything I purchase has like vanilla in it because I'm just in my vanilla girl era. Ooh, this is good. Ooh. I'm gonna try not to spray everything, y'all. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, this is very fresh and cozy, and it smells like the EOS vanilla cashmere, but just like with a spice to it and a more like milky note. Ooh, but this is cute. I love this. And for $6.95, we love it even more. Okay. Yes, I give this one a 9 out of 10. Okay, 9 out of 10. All right, we're gonna open up the next box. Okay, so this is one of the new flankers from another collection. So this is the Victoria's Secret's Coconut Passion Brulee. So this is from the Brulee line. I think I got two things from this collection, and the notes on this is coconut flakes, brown sugar, and I cannot even see this. Come on, y'all. Oh, an indulgent gourmand take on coconut passion. Okay, let's get into it. So when I was looking at the reviews, this is another one that had a good review from that collection. So let's see what it do. Am I a coconut girly? No, but do I enjoy a coconut fragrance here and there? Yes. Ooh, wait. Okay. Ooh, this one is good, y'all. This doesn't have. This is definitely has that brulee. And y'all love creme brulee. Creme brulee is my favorite dessert. This does have that creme brulee smell to it with coconut. So that's exactly what it smells like: coconut flakes and brown sugar. Ooh, y'all, she's pretty. This is a good gourmand. So if y'all looking for, ooh, if y'all looking for something that's not too sweet but still has that warm and cozy vibe, I highly recommend Coconut Passion Brulee. This one is very, very, very good. I give this one. I give this one an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna try to rank them, y'all. If I don't rank them, don't be mad because I just be, doing whatever. All right, next box. Okay, yeah. So this is the other Spice Vanessa. This is the one for my daughter. So I'll leave that in the box for her. And let's get into the next one. Okay, so this is Victoria's Secret's Cashmere Fleur. I also went down a rabbit hole to get a couple of little thoughts. So this is another one that I was like, this looks intriguing. Let me go ahead and check it out. So the notes on this is sugared rose, vanilla cashmere. So it's luxurious and inviting. Okay, so they give the notes and then they give you the vibe. So it's giving you luxurious and it's inviting. Okay, Victoria's Secret. So we got sugared rose and vanilla cashmere. All right. So again, like I said, most of this stuff gonna have vanilla in it because I'm on my vanilla. Okay. Ooh. Oh, y'all, this is pretty. Ooh, a nice. Ooh, this. Ooh. I want to say this is one of the ones that they were saying this one performs like a perfume. Ooh, and it does. She's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, Victoria's Secret. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is not even in the vanilla family, so she's gonna get a 9. Yes, y'all, this is perfect for nighttime, like a good day date, nighttime date, like a ooh, just when you want to feel sexy. Definitely go ahead and check out Cashmere Fleur, y'all. This one is good. All right now, okay, Victoria's Secret girl. I'm not mad at you. Do your thing. All right, y'all. So we on to the next box. Okay, so this is from the pink collection. This one is cream, cool, and bright. This is from that collection. So the notes on this is pink sprinkles, sugared musk, and vanilla icing. It kind of threw me off because it's blue, but I also got it because it's blue. So it says fancy, fluffy, yummy. Ooh, yeah. So let's get into her and see what she's talking about. Ooh, dang, that's a sprayer. Okay, yes. This one, yeah, so I definitely smelled the sugared musk and then the vanilla and how it has like pink sprinkles. Oh, this one's, ooh, dang, y'all see that atomizer? Ooh, so on my skin, it gives alcohol. I'm gonna have to let her dry down and come back to her. But on this paper, I get the notes that they're trying to say. We're going to put a pin in her and we're going to come back, okay? Because she might not be staying around. But hey, listen, I'm not going to speak too soon. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, now. It's drying down. I'm feeling, I like the dry down. And I'm definitely now smelling the pink sprinkles. Okay, yes. In the musk. And then the vanilla icing. Okay, she's good. You just have to give her a chance, okay? She good, but you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Let her warm up. Okay. Okay. We like her. We're gonna give her a 7.5 since we had to let her kind of like dry down a little bit. But again, I've learned if things are not working in my favor, it's okay. And if I'm not feeling it, it's going back. Because guess what? We're not in the business of wasting no coin. Okay? Alright, we have another box here. And let's get to it. Okay, yeah, so here's another pink from that collection. And this one is Fresh and Clean. Okay, so we have another one from that line. This one is Fresh and Clean. The notes on this is lemon meringue, marshmallow fluff, and vanilla snow. Ooh, I'm excited about this one, y'all. Let's get into it. Dang it. This atomizer is atomizing. Y'all see that? Jesus. Now. It must be that lemon that's giving that tart smell. I smell the marshmallow fluff and I smell the vanilla. I think it's the lemon that's throwing me off, y'all. I think the lemon is throwing me off. Because now the dry down on the Cool and Bright is definitely giving cool. But this one, I don't know, y'all. I don't think I like this one. I don't think I like this lemon, this meringue. It smells more chocolate to me. Like milk chocolate. And I'm not really a milk chocolate girl. I'm a dark chocolate girl. So, IDK, y'all. IDK on that one. So we're going to keep the box on this one. Because I don't know. We're going to have to think about that one. Alright, so this is the next one. I think this is another one from the Brûlée line, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Okay, so this one is the Pure Seduction Brulee. And the notes on this is molded berries and sugared freesia. So, an indulgent gourmand take on Pure Seduction. Okay, so I can't recall what Pure Seduction smelled like. And I don't even remember if I'm a Pure Seduction girly or not. But we're here. This is another one that they were saying this one has a good, this one smells good. Oh yeah, I do remember Pure Seduction. But is it giving Brûlée? But I do love that the molded berries and the sugar freesia. This smells like cotton candy or pink bubblegum to me. That's not a bad thing though. It's not a bad thing. I think I like this, y'all. Again, on the skin, immediately it smells like alcohol. I don't like that. Why ain't spray right here? Come on now. Come on now. Use your brain, girl. Use your brain. I might have to spend some time with this one. It's kind of like a fresh. Nah, the dry down. The dry down good. Now, it smells like Pure Seduction, but it's definitely grown up. You know, Pure Seduction and all that line from back in the day. It was giving childish, but we were kids trying to be grown. We ain't grown up since back then. This is what it needs to be right now. Okay, I smell. Okay, now I'm getting the sugar and all the berries and all the things. Okay, yes, the dry down for this one is good, but it wasn't love at first initial sniff, but she's good. We're gonna probably keep her as well. All right, y'all, we at the last item, and I believe this one is for my daughter, but I'm still gonna open it to show you guys what she got, because guess what? It's my money. And again, this was for the $6.95 sale. Not sure if it's still going on. If it is, I will definitely put it up in the video. Okay, so this is the Victoria's Secret's Vanilla Orchid Sandalwood. This is the oil, and it says it has jojoba oil in it. So yeah, she wanted this. Should we smell it? Absolutely, because guess what? I paid for it. All right, so let's get into her. And now I'm gonna be mad that I should have got one. Okay. Okay, so so my daughter, she likes more, like, she's not really a gourmand girl. She's like a floral girl. She'll like this because she probably just needed like a oil, like to base her layering combos. But yeah, ooh, this is very hydrating. This feels amazing on the skin. The scent is nice. It's soft. It's not nothing too too bow in your face, that you can literally just put this on and then layer whatever you want on top. Okay. All right, Victoria's Secret. Let's see what you did there. Very, very good. Okay, y'all. So that is the end of this Victoria's Secret haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are my final thoughts on this purchase. I really, really, really love Cashmere Fleur, and I absolutely love Coconut Passion and the Hair and Body Mist, the Spiked Vanilla Cream. I feel like I should have got the body wash in this one. These two are absolutely going to keep. These were love at first sniff. Well, these three were love at first sniff. I'm still trying to see if I'm going to be a fan of this, because now it smells like just sugared berries. I mean, that can be a good thing for some people, but I don't know if I can do much layering with this one. This will be a good bedtime scent, but I'm not really a bedtime scent girly. I just like to shower and just, you know what I'm saying, go to bed. I don't worry about putting on any smell goods or anything. So I don't know about this one. Now, far as these two, the Cool and Bright and Fresh and Clean, I really, 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 really do love the dry down on this one. But again, I'm not 100% sure. Now, Cool and Bright, I feel like this also can be a good. This atomizer is a lot, y'all. This is going to wet my damn clothes. And this initial spray is alcohol. So I'm on the fence with these two. I'm going to see if my daughter likes them. If she likes them, she can have them. But I doubt that she will, because like I said, this is not in her fragrance. What she likes, so we'll see. But anyway, if you guys have any of these fragrances in your collection, let me know what you think. And thank you guys for watching. What's up to all of my new subscribers? What's up to my OGs? Y'all already know it's good. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.